Okay, guys, I'm going to give you a quick tip. If you have one of these air cleaners, these air handlers that you mount on the ceiling in your shop, they want you to replace these filters every 6 months or something like that. And they're very expensive. They're like $65, $70. I've had this one in this for at least 15 years. It's the original. Maybe 20 years. I don't know. But anyhow, what I do, I start by removing just a few of the strings because they're held together with strings. So it looks like I've got 3 off. And the reason for that is I want to be able to get my big shop vac in there. 2.5 hose. I just put it in and just vacuum it. But the problem is you can't get, without taking all these strings out, you can't get way down to the bottom. That's where your problem is. And if you cut all these, then it ends up sucking the bag together. So I started this, but let me show you how I get to the very bottom. Now, I'm going to have to turn this on, so I won't be able to talk when I'm doing it, but you get the idea. Basically, what I'm doing is I have an 1.5 hose instead of the 2-inch on the shop vac. And I have just a little thing like this. Now the secret to this whole thing is, though, in order to get way down there, because you can't get down there with this, you just, you don't know what you're doing. So what I do, I simply turn it on, right? And now that it's on, you can see, there it is, all the crud back there. So let me just turn the shop vac on, show you how quick this is. Okay, so here you go. It's really hard to see inside here, but this is clean. You see that all that stuff is gone. It's very clean. So the other thing is I use one of these. These are the electrostatic ones, and that saves you a lot of money in the long run. They're about $50 to start, but you never have to replace them. You can wash them, and that's it. So anyhow, hope this helps you. If it does, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.